Brave New Voices, what's good?
Make some noise. We're making history right now, y'all. This is the first time in BNV history we have ever been in the state of Texas.
But y'all know this is not the first time we've came together and celebrated, right?
That's right.
21 years. And the reason why I'm here, the reason why you are here is because people came before us. There is a continuum and a legacy that exists, one that you all carry with you now. So you're now a part of this thing. This was a thought at one point. This was a dream. We are living inside of the dream. And I want y'all to recognize that. So this is also the first Brave New Voices ever that is being completely ran by all Brave New Voices alumni. So clap it up for that.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
You feel me? And it was always supposed to be that. It was always supposed to be a movement for young people, led by young people. That's
True.
you, so clap it up for yourselves.
True.
That's what's important.